Natural home remedies for cough. Lemon. An easy cough syrup can be created by mixing 2 teaspoons fresh lemon juice and something teaspoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup several times each day. A different way to use lemons is to merge fresh lemon juice after some honey along with a pinch of red pepper cayenne after drink it. Onion. You may also create a cough syrup from baked onion juice, comfort tea, and honey. Drink it daily to get respite from a dry cough. An alternative choice is to blend 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Swallow this solution a minimum of 2 times each day to ease a cough and soothe your throat. Cayenne. Create a healthy cough syrup by mixing 4th teaspoon red pepper cayenne, 4th teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon ACV and 2 teaspoons water. Drink the syrup 2 to 3 times each day. Carrot juice. Make fresh juice from 4 or 5 carrots and then add water to dilute it. For taste and advantages, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the juice 3 to 4 times each day until your symptoms improve. Honey and lemon. Take 2 teaspoons honey, 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice and a glass of warm water. Add some honey to warm water and blend well. Add some fresh lemon juice and stir well. Drink this concoction.